John Fields here with Restore Pro Disaster Cleanup and Restoration. We're located in Sandusky, Ohio. Derek asked me to talk a little bit about my experience with Spot On Solutions. I'll tell you that I've been with Derek and his team for probably 9, maybe 10 years now. I would ask the question, how many times have you been called and asked to allow somebody to evaluate your SEO, your web design, perhaps your social media, your advertising, your pay-per-click campaign, and been told that you don't have a good process in place? Well, it's like the Wild Wild West, at least in my experience. I've consulted with Derek, and we've been very successful with the campaigns that he's developed for us. I'm very happy with the web design. Derek and his team specialize in disaster restoration. They know how to market, and they have programs that will specifically help you advance your business in the market verticals that you're interested in. So talking to a team member with them who understands, Derek as an example, understands the business. Katie, when you're dealing with these guys, they know what you need and can at least have a great interview process with you and design a program that will help you be successful. So the Wild Wild West doesn't have to be that way if you work with professionals who are attuned to our needs in restoration, and I would give Derek the highest testimony as it relates to what Spot On Solutions has done for me and my company.